a brownie recipe from the book Cookies I Have Loved. The name of the recipe is My Grandma's Brownies. The ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is salt, vanilla, white sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, flour, butter, and chocolate chips. So now the first step is we're going to melt in a microwave-safe bowl the butter. Then we're going to mix it well together with the cocoa. Preheat the oven to 350. Now we're going to stir in the eggs and the vanilla. And after that, we're going to add in the sugar and the flour. Now, we're going to add in the salt and the flour and the chocolate chips. Now we're going to put it in a parchment-lined pan and we're going to put it in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.